Hi gang, here's another tech demo on Google Hangouts Meet. I'm in my Google Calendar and I already set up a recurring meeting that has, as I click on it, it has a Google Hangouts Meet conferencing option enabled. So when I go back to this, I can simply click on this link, join the Hangouts Meet, and whoever I invited should be doing the same thing in order to log in, or they can just go to the email reminder that I sent them and find the link in that. But basically, here I am as the host of this video conference. I can check, make sure my lighting is okay and that I'm not silhouetted. Make sure that I look professional and I'm ready to teach or whatever it is. And then I can go ahead and click Join Now. So I just wanted to demonstrate a couple of features that might be helpful for you all. So one is, this is the Screencastify little window. That's not part of Google Hangouts. So let me move that out of the way. Two of me. But what I wanted to show here was down in the lower right-hand corner are different options. So some of you have been using Zoom and you might be used to a different layout. So if you click on change layout, you can do the tiled layout, which will show everybody sort of in somewhat equal size in terms of their video, or you can do the sidebar layout where you'll be here, but on the side, everybody who is in your call, there's nobody yet for me, but they would all be listed over here on the side. So that's something I wanted to mention. But the other thing too is obviously you always have this sidebar where you can see who's in, and you can always check your chat tool to see if there are any questions. And so that's an ongoing tool for you. Another thing to point out is that you can share your screen. So if I wanted to click Present Now and share my entire screen or just a window, I can do that. I'm not going to actually do that right now. The last thing for now I wanted to point out that I think is pretty important is the option here to record your meeting. So we have an option to record meetings, and this is helpful for students who might be absent or for students who their internet doesn't work well and so they can't hear, or it's not coming across, or they just prefer to review whatever you cover on their own time, because it is rather distracting if you have a chat tool and sort of see all of your peers. Sometimes the learning isn't really taking place. So just an option, and know that when you do record a meeting, it's going to automatically save a movie file of that recording into your personal Google Drive. So nobody can see it unless you decide to go in, find it, and share it to, for instance, that absent student, or share it to your whole Google Classroom so they can review it. But it is behind the Google Drive. So this is the basics of Google Hangout. Usually you'd see a sidebar or tiles of everybody who's in it, but I'm the only one here. So for now, that's all I wanted to share. I hope you all reach out if I can support you in any way. Have a great day.